Today I am reviewing the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into a laptop that is aiming to completely redefine what we expect from a mid-range gaming machine. This is the all-new Acer Nitro V16, specifically the ANV16-72-73EW model. The Acer Nitro lineup has traditionally been the go-to recommendation for budget-conscious gamers looking for ultimate value. But with this latest iteration, Acer is delivering a future-proof gaming experience packed with a cutting-edge Intel Core 7 processor 240H, the brand-new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 laptop GPU, and a gorgeous 16-inch 180Hz display. On paper, this thing looks like an absolute beast. In this review, we're going to break down everything you need to know: the design, the processing power, that brand new AI-driven graphics card, the display, and the cooling system. So, let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the design and build quality. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice about the Acer Nitro V16 is that it looks remarkably sleek. Acer has moved away from the overly aggressive, gamery aesthetics of the past, opting instead for a more sophisticated, modern look. It's professional enough for a classroom or an office, but it still retains enough edge to let people know it means business. Weighing in at 5.29 pounds, it strikes a nice balance between structural rigidity and portability. Open the lid, and you are greeted by a full-size keyboard complete with a dedicated numeric keypad and a clean, vibrant backlit illumination. The keys have a satisfying travel distance and a crisp tactile response, which feels fantastic whether you are typing up an essay or hammering away at your hotkeys during an intense multiplayer match. Under the hood, this machine is powered by the Intel Core 7 processor 240H. This chip features an advanced hybrid architecture, meaning it splits the workload intelligently between high-performance cores and energy-efficient cores. It means ultimate multitasking freedom. You can seamlessly play your favorite AAA games while streaming your gameplay, chatting on Discord, and keeping a dozen browser tabs open in the background without experiencing a single stutter. Furthermore, Acer has integrated Intel application optimization, which uses real-time AI resource allocation to detect exactly what application you are running and instantly direct maximum system power to it for maximum efficiency and speed. Now let's talk about the real star of the show: the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 laptop GPU. This card is built on NVIDIA's highly anticipated Blackwell architecture, packing a staggering 440 AI tops of horsepower. If you love eye candy, this card unlocks mind-blowing realism with full ray tracing, giving you stunning, physically accurate reflections and lifelike shadows. But the real secret weapon here is AI-powered DLSS 4 technology. Powered by 5th-generation Tensor cores and 4th-generation RT cores, DLSS 4 introduces revolutionary multi-frame generation and ray reconstruction. Instead of forcing your hardware to manually render every single pixel, the AI intelligently generates entirely new, high-quality frames. This dramatically boosts your frame rates, reduces system latency, and sharpens image quality all at the same time, allowing you to enjoy smooth, competitive frame rates even with the graphics settings cranked up. Fortunately, Acer absolutely knocked it out of the park with the display as well. The Nitro V16 features a 16-inch WUXGA display with a sharp resolution of 1920 by 1200 and a modern 16:10 aspect ratio. This taller screen real estate is an absolute game-changer, giving you a wider field of view in games and extra vertical space for productivity. The IPS panel pushes out 300 nits of brightness, resulting in vibrant, true-to-life colors. But for the gamers out there, the headline features the blazing fast 180Hz refresh rate and a rapid 3 milliseconds overdrive response time. When you are playing fast-paced shooters like Valorant or Call of Duty, this ultra-high refresh rate virtually eliminates motion blur and screen tearing, giving you a distinct competitive edge when tracking fast-moving targets. Moving on to the internal specifications, the machine comes equipped with 16 GB of lightning-fast DDR5 memory, with dual slots supporting an upgrade path up to 32 GB. For storage, you get a massive 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, meaning your laptop boots up in seconds and games load almost instantaneously. There is even an onboard microSD card reader for quick storage expansion. Connectivity is also fully covered. It features an Intel Killer Ethernet controller and Intel Killer Wi-Fi 6 for rock-solid, ultra-low latency online gaming. The physical port selection is equally impressive, giving you a blazing fast Thunderbolt for USB Type-C port, multiple USB 3.2 ports, and a full-sized HDMI 2.1 port capable of driving external displays. With all of this high-end hardware packed into a relatively slim chassis, thermal management is handled by an advanced dual-fan cooling system. It utilizes a quad intake and quad exhaust architecture to draw in cool air and aggressively push heat out through the vents, keeping the internal components running at stable, optimal temperatures during extended gaming marathons. To complement the hardware, you also get access to the NitroSense AI performance tracking software. This app acts as your personal command center, allowing you to track real-time temperatures, customize fan speeds, and access integrated AI applications that streamline productivity and creativity. To wrap things up, the Acer Nitro V16 is an absolute triumph of modern engineering. By combining the multitasking brilliance of the Intel Core 7 processor with the groundbreaking AI-driven power of the NVIDIA RTX 5050 Blackwell GPU, Acer has delivered a machine that punches way above its price class. Add in that gorgeous 16-inch 180Hz display, robust thermal cooling, and an elite port selection, and you have a laptop that excels at everything you throw at it. Plus, it includes a 1-year international traveler's limited warranty for extra peace of mind. If you're looking for a powerful, future-proof gaming laptop that offers incredible value, the Acer Nitro V16 should be at the absolute top of your list. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and I will see you all in the next video.